Good morning, dear students. Today we will discuss remaining part of chapter 13. Exercise 13.2. Exercise 13.2, 13.1 complete in previous videos. Now, here exercise 13.2. Exercise 13.2. Question first. In figure, answer the following question. Okay. Figure is given. PAQ is tangent line and this one is circle. Okay. DB, DA and AC chord. Now BAQ, angle BAQ is an alternate segment of circle. BAQ is alternate segment of circle means BAQ is alternate segment of circle. So BAQ means ADB means this angle. Okay, this angle D equal angle A. It means angle made on a same segment. It means clear that according to figure BAQ, BAQ equal angle ADB is alternate segment of BAQ. ADB is alternate segment of BAQ. Okay, clear that this one is a answer. Now second question, second statement is DAP is an alternate segment of circle. DAP means this one is alternate segment of circle is this one is alternate segment of circle. It means angle CBD. Okay, ACBD means A, C, B and D. It means angle CBD. Angle CBD is alternate segment of DAP. Clear that? Now if B is joined with C, okay, B joined with C, then ACB is equal means this one is equal to ACB is equal to which angle? ACB is equal to angle BAP means this one. Okay, this one is equal to this one means BAP. Okay, BAP equal ACB equal BAP, angle made in a same segment. Okay, now ABD equal ADB, ABD equal ADB means angle B plus angle D. Angle B and D is equal to which angle? Angle B and D is equal to angle ABD is equal DAP. ABD is equal DAP means this one is equal to this one and this one is equal to this one. Okay, that one. So ADB equal BAQ, ADB equal BAQ and ABD equal DAP. ABD equal DAP. Okay, clear? Second question. Only we check out alternate segment. Okay, alternate segment means angle made on same segment. Angle made on same segment is alternate angle and are equal. Now question number second is in figure angle BAC equal 80 degree, then find the value of BCP. Okay, figure is given BAC equal 80 degree, then find of BCP. BAC. Okay, BAC equal 80 degree, then find BCP. Now question number second, BCP. Now figure BAC equal 80, then find the value of BCP. BAC is given BAC means this one is given 80 degree. Calculation part is BCP. Calculation part is BCP means this one is a calculate. Okay, this one is calculate. Now according to given question, let O be the center of circle. O be the center of circle. It means O be the center of circle and then AC is diameter. Okay, so AC is diameter. It means this one is a AC. Okay, this one is AC is diameter. Clear? Now and triangle ABC is right angle triangle. Triangle ABC is right angle triangle means triangle ABC. Triangle ABC is right angle triangle means this one is a 90 degree. This one is a 90 degree. Okay, then this one is diameter, so AC is perpendicular on PQ. AC is perpendicular on PQ. ABC equal 90 degree. ABC equal a 90 degree, because angle sustained at circumference of semicircle is right angle. Semicircle is means AC is semicircle, AC is diameter na, so ABC is a 90 degree, means this one is a 90 degree. Angle made in semicircle, angle made in semicircle is 90 degree. ABC, so B is 90 degree. Then in triangle ABC, angle ACB equal angle ACB, means this one is equal 180. By angle sum property, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal 180. It means angle C equal 180 minus 80 minus a 90. So 180 minus 90 minus a 80. It means ACB equal 180 minus 90, 80, 170. So ACB equal 10 degree. ACB equal 10 degree, means this one is a 10 degree. Now we calculate BCP na, BCP. So then triangle ABC, ACB is 10 degree. AC perpendicular on PQ, AC perpendicular on PQ. So AC divide PQ in two part. Now because PQ is tangent, okay, then ACB plus BCP, ACB plus a BCP, means this one and this one both are 90 degree. So ACB plus BCP equal 90 degree. ACB is we calculate 10 degree, so 10 degree plus BCP, replace BCP equal a 90 degree. Then BCP equal 90 minus 10 degree. 90 minus 10 degree means 80 degree. So we can say that, or we can write angle BCP equal 80 degree. Angle BCP equal 80 degree. Then BCP 80 degree is a answer. Clear? Only basic theorem is angle made on same segment, and by angle sum property in triangle, or angle made in semicircle. AC is diameter. Now angle ABC is 90 degree because angle made in semicircle. Therefore angle B plus angle C plus angle A equal 180 degree by angle sum property. So C equal 10 degree. Now AC is perpendicular on PQ. Therefore complete angle total C is 90 degree. This one is 10 degree. So 90 minus 10 means 80 degree. It means angle BCP equal 80 degree. Angle BCP equal 80 degree and a answer. Clear? Now 3 number is in figure PQ and XY. In figure PQ and XY are parallel tangent. PQ and XY are parallel tangent. Parallel means or two line parallel each other. Okay, situated on same distance. Now they are not intersect each other. It means figure PQ and XY are parallel tangent. If QRT equal 30 degree, then find TSY. So given part PQ parallel XY, PQ, this one is symbol of parallel, PQ parallel XY, and QRT is 30 degree. QRT equal 30 degree given. Let O be the center of circle. And R be the point of contact. Let O be the center of circle, and R be the point of contact. So diagram of this question is OR is perpendicular on PQ. Okay, then PQ parallel XY. According to figure, PQ and XY are parallel. Okay, and TRQ or QRT is 30 degree. QRT is 30 degree. Then find TSY. Find TS and X and Y. X and Y. X and Y means TS Y. Sorry, XY. This one is a Y. Now TSY. It means this angle is calculate. Why na? TSY means this angle is a calculate. Okay. Then let O be the center. O be the center of circle. R be the point to contact. R be the point to contact. R be the point to contact. Okay. This one is 30 degree means QRT or TRQ equal a 30 degree. And OR is radius. Okay. Now OR is perpendicular on PQ. OR is perpendicular on PQ. It means OR divide PQ line segment in two equal part. Therefore PR equal RQ. Okay. And tangent is perpendicular on radius. Therefore the line passes through the point of contact is perpendicular to tangent. We can say that the line passes through the point of contact is perpendicular to its tangent. Then we can say ORQ, angle ORQ equal 90 degree. Angle ORQ, it means total complete angle is 90 degree. This one is given 30 degree. So remaining angle TRO or ORT equals 60 degree. Therefore ORT plus TRQ equal 90 degree. Then ORT mention as it is. TRQ is 30 degree given. So 30 degree equal 90 degree. It means ORT equal 90 minus 30 degree. So ORT equal we get 60 degree. Then SRT equal also 60. ORT equals 60 degree. Then SRT means SRT means this one is complete. So extend SRT. This one is 60. So 30 60 means RT equal 60 degree. Equation first. Again in triangle RTS, angle made on semicircle means angle T is 90 degree, angle RTS equal 90 degree. Because why? Right angle triangle, because angle in the semicircle. Angle made in semicircle is 90 degree. So T is 90 degree. Okay, this one is 60 degree, this one is 90 degree. So this one is 90 plus 60, 130, 180 minus 30, 180 minus 130, it means 50. So this one is a 40 degree. This one is remaining 40 degree. 50 plus 40, 90 degree. Because OSY is right angle perpendicular. OS is perpendicular on XY. This one is a 40 degree. Therefore we can say that TSR plus SRT plus RTS, sum of all angle in a triangle is a 180. So TSR mention TSR, SRT is 60 degree and RTS is a 90 degree. 60 and 90 degree. SRT replace 90 degree equal 180 degree as it is. Now TSR equal 90 plus 60, 150. So 180 minus 150, 180 minus 150, it means 30 degree. So TSR equal 30 degree. TSR equal 30 degree. This one is 30 degree. Now equation second. By equation first SRT equal 60 degree. By equation second TSR equal 30 degree. Since RS perpendicular on XY. Since RS perpendicular on XY, therefore RS divide XY into equal part, XS equal SY. Now S is the point of contact and R is diameter. S is the point of contact and SR is a diameter. Okay. RS is the point of contact and SR is a diameter. Then RSY equal 90 degree, RSY equal 90 degree, therefore TSR plus TSY equal both 90 degree, TSR plus TSY both are 90 degree, both are 90 degree, both are 90 degree, therefore both are 90 degree. So this one is 30. Now calculate TSY. 30 plus TSY equal 90 degree. 30 plus TSY equal 90 degree means value of TSY equal 90 minus 30. 90 minus 30 means 60 degree. So value of TSY equal we get 60 degree is a answer. Okay, simple fundamental theorem. Okay, these two lines are parallel. This one is 30. So join RS is diameter. Now RTS equal 90 degree, this one is 90 degree, so 30 and 60 plus 90, this one is 30. Now remaining angle, okay, 60 degree, therefore we can say that we find out angle TSY equal 60 degree. So TSY equal 60 degree is a answer. Clear? Next question. Next question is question last, exercise 13.2. Last question is question number 4. Question number 4 is in figure a cyclic quadrilateral. In figure a cyclic quadrilateral ABCD, diagonal AC bisect the angle C. Diagonal AC and diagonal BD. Okay, diagonal AC bisect the angle C. Diagonal AC bisect the angle C. It means angle 1 equal angle 2. Okay, then prove that diagonal BD is parallel to tangent line. BD is parallel to tangent line. We prove BD is parallel to tangent line. Okay, now PQ of a circle which pass through the point ABCD, and PQ is a circle which pass through point A, B, C or a D. Okay, therefore angle 1, angle 2, and here angle 3 and angle 4. Here mention angle 5. Let PAQ be the tangent at point A of circle. Let PAQ is tangent and at point A on the circle. Now passing through the point A, B, C and D. Passing through the point A, B, C and D. Okay, clear that? Therefore AC bisect C. AC bisect angle C. AC bisect angle C. AC bisect angle C in equation 1 or angle 1 or angle 2. So angle 1 equal angle 2. Angle 1 equal angle 2. Equation first. Now angle 2 equal angle 3. Angle 2 equal angle 3 means or angle made in same segment. Angle made in same segment are equal. So angle 2 equal angle 3. Angle 2 equal angle 3. Okay, 3 and 2 are angle made in alternate segment of chord AB. Alternate segment of chord AB. Alternate segment of chord AB. So alternate segment of alternate angles are equal. Therefore angle 1 equal angle 2. Angle 2 equal angle 3. Then we can say that 1 equal 4. So 4 equal 1. 1 equal 2 na. So 4 equal 1. Equation third, 1 equal 5. Angle made in a same segment. 1 equal angle 5. Angle made in same segment. Angle made in same segments means similarly angle 4 equal angle 1. Angle 4 equal angle 1. Angle 4 equal angle 1 equal. Equation third. Now angle 1 equal angle 5. Angle 1 equal angle 5. Angle made in same segment. Angle made in same segment. Now by equation first, second and third. By equation first, by equation second and by equation third. Okay, now by equation first, second and third. By first, second and third we get or angle 3, angle 4 equal 1 and 1 equal 2. Okay, 2 equal 3 and 3 equal 5. It means we can say that angle 3 equal angle 5. Angle 3 equal angle 5 means alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle. Then PAQ perpendicular on BD. Then PAQ is perpendicular on BD. Okay, this one is proved na. PAQ is perpendicular on BD. So PAQ is perpendicular on BD. It means PAQ is perpendicular BD. Then again ABCD is a circle and ABCD is a quadrilateral. Now PAQ is tangent and A is tangent point or contact point. Okay, it means AC divide angle C into equal parts. So angle 1 and angle 2. Angle 1 and equal angle 1 equal angle 2. Now here 3 and 4, here 5 mention. Okay. AC and BD intersect each other. Intersect each other means 1 equal to 1 equal to 2 equal 3. 2 equal 3 angle made in same segment or angle made in alternate segment. Alternate segment similarly 4 and 1, 4 and 1 alternate segment, 4 and 1 alternate segment. Now 1 equal 5 or alternate segment angle, 1 equal 5 angle made in same segment. Therefore by equation first, second and third, by equation first, second and third both are added. Both are added means we can 1 equal 2, 2 equal 3, 4 equal 1, 1 equal 5. Therefore we can say that 3 equal angle 5. Alternate interior angle, alternate interior angle, it means we can say that PAQ, tangent PAQ is parallel to BD. PAQ is parallel to BD. Okay, that's why we prove PAQ parallel BD. Okay students, remaining question try yourself. If you have any doubt, then write your doubt, comment, query on comment box. Okay, thanks.